Igbo people just love sympathy. You people not to like sympathy. We not just like you people just want to be sorry for. They just want to be, maybe they just a pamper on, maybe they pet you now, maybe they tell you, hey, sorry, hey, oh, this thing when they do this, man, no good, oh, hey, this thing is injustice, this is injustice. Well, I just like sympathy. If you are not they crave for praises, but they crave for sympathy. And people not supposed to be like that, bro. You cannot tell me, as an Igbo person or an outsider looking at the whole Nnamdi Kanu situation from the top, from the very beginning to the last day of his sentencing, you cannot tell me that this was not expected. It was expected, you and I, we know. You just want people to feel sorry for you. You just want people to clap for you and say this is an injustice. You that is saying Nnamdi Kanu should be free. This is an injustice to Nnamdi Kanu. I want to ask you, are you saying this is injustice to Nnamdi Kanu because Nnamdi Kanu did not do anything wrong? He did not deserve this punishment? Or you are saying this is an injustice because terrorists from the north, they face the same prosecution as he has faced? Let us know your point. We just want to know, are you saying this is injustice because now Nnamdi Kanu, or you are saying this is injustice because other people when they commit similar crime from the north are not getting this punishment? Because if you are saying that this result, this prosecution is an injustice because the man did no wrong, he did no harm, you see, so worry, you don't capitalize on una desire for sympathy. Una desire for sympathy. Say the only evidence they found in it was a microphone. That same microphone led many people to carry gun to kill people. That same microphone. You don't see them, you see them. We saw it. We saw the establishment of ESN. We saw them pick up arms. We saw them kill people. So if you are saying no, okay, he fine, he committed the crime, but why is he not being pardoned like the rest of the terrorists in the north? If that is your stance, that this is injustice, then you are wrong. You are also emotionally wrong, because at the end of the day, the same Boko Haram will still be problem today for Nigeria. The leader of Boko Haram died in police custody. The main terrorist, the leader, he did not have a chance to go to life sentence. He payment for police. Government ruler, he died from there. The same Boko Haram, the same Islamic terrorists, radical Islamic terrorists. Did Nnamdi Kanu not have so many opportunities to repent? Did he not have so many opportunities to acknowledge the death of people who never asked for this? To the very end. Do you see that guy don't get emotional intelligence? Do you think that if Nnamdi Kanu came out for the last minute say, no people are no vex, this thing when I do, I know say it lead to the death of so many people who really not wish for this. I accept that responsibility. I am sorry. I will do better. Do you think the government will not be lenient? The government not go be lenient. They forget person when no one repents. Why Igbo people? Why do you love sympathy so much? How do you feel like when you see videos of the Eastern terrorists, the unknown gunmen killing people in the name of Biafra? How do you watch those videos and feel like injustice was done to Nnamdi Kanu? When you see mothers, children, how do you feel being killed? How do you feel? How do you accept this sympathy that these people are giving you to make you feel good now? How do you feel?
All right, welcome back. So you see, one of the things that made me to share this is because I want us to be seeing them. I want us to be seeing the faces of people that have different opinions from what you think you have. In as much as I hate what he's saying. Why? Because, like I said previously, I don't support any killing of anybody. I'm not a promoter of violence. I'm not a fan of that. I just want us to be truthful to ourselves. It is laughable when you compare IPOB with terrorists in the north. It's laughable. You think you actually believe as an Igbo man that if IPOB want to carry out or want to be seen as a terrorist organization, like you guys are making them to look like, no other country in the surface of earth apart from Nigeria see them like that, and you as an Igbo person, you are seeing them like that. Fine. If there's anybody in the IPOB that's committing crime, killing people, like you said, maybe you have the evidence, and I don't know. If there's anything like that, I don't think that UK, US, other country will just see them as freedom movement group. And you claim that you are an Igbo person. You saw what happened. Like I said previously, I don't want to go back to what I've said already. The genesis of everything is very, very, you can see it. How they started buying IPOB and all that. And now you are pushing this narrative that they are a terrorist group that need to be curtailed, need to be checkmated, that the government is right. And if Boko Haram members are facing this kind of sentence, that massacre, it is well deserved. It is normal thing. It is well deserved sentence to massacre. You think that IPOB want to carry out terror group? They will not do that of terrorists in the north. They would have done that, but they chose not to because they are not terrorists. If you have different opinion, let me ask you: mention one church in the entire southeast that IPOB bombed down, like they normally do in the north. Mention market that IPOB bombed down out of terrorists. Mention one. Mention, maybe function like party, burial ceremony, marriage, and all that they went there, pipe in mass, lay bomb, ambush people, and mention one. I'm just saying that does not mean that people are not committing crime. I'm not saying that our land is crime free. No place is crime free, but it's always good for you to call a spade a spade. Like that thing that if you hate Mazamekano, let this not to hate pass your sense of reason, so that you are not going to make mistake and begin to make people see you as one of the terrorists, of course, because you cannot say that you are fighting against terrorism and you are acting like terrorists. It doesn't make any sense. Now I want you that is watching to tell me what you think about this guy and people like him, so many of them. Please like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. Let us go to another post from this guy that I blocked him, but today somebody shared his video. This guy called what is it called? Banana. I think Banana or Banana. I don't know what he calls himself. This is somebody who is suffering from identity crisis. People don't, because this one thing I noticed about Nigeria is that some people don't like Igbo because they are not Igbo. Some don't like Igbo because they cannot be like Igbo. Some see themselves as people who are stranded. They are not Yoruba. They are not even Bini. They are not even Igbo. They don't want to stay with Igbo, and they cannot be not. And since they are facing this minority problem, they want Igbos to face the minority problem like them. And that is where this guy fought to. No matter what comes from Igbo land, he will criticize it. The only time he will praise you is when you are against your Igbo brothers. This guy, so if you are one of those following him, is either you are stupid or you have you are just enemy to yourself. I'm not here to tell you what to do, but this is my own opinion, and I have right to that. Now you also have right to your opinion. Now let's go back to this video. Now, if you see here, he's sharing picture of that soldier, according to them, that was spied by according to them, they say ESN. But I want us to understand something here. Like I always tell you, I am not a supporter of any killing of anybody. Okay, I am not supporter of killing of anybody at all whatsoever. So let us go to his video. I'm just trying to adjust it so that you can see it it will not look so small. Let me on the volume. Okay. Now let's start.
The other one we did for Finland.
Now let me start from beginning.
You know something you don't know the song where you do. You understand that? When you in the Kanu and how did they call the other one we did for Finland? Simon Ikba, they do. Some of them never start content. I'm not there for this content for 8 years. I start 2017. If you don't know. When they start this thing, first person will start diabetes.
Okay. Just a moment. I want to get it right. The video is very small. I don't like it this way.
Because when I go they use Kanu, they compare Igbo, they compare a lot of things. I just they laugh on that because some of them when they put they forget it. Because now what they change all of them they do. I just they laugh on that. My brother, these guys they do things so. Whether they can't be charged today.
He said he started 2017. I love the way he put it. But he don't bother to know how many Biafrans slaughtered in 2013, in 2012, in 2014, in 2015, in 2016. He started giving you his history in 2017. You see the problem now. Now, and like I said, he hates Igbo people with passion. Why? Because he's not Igbo and he's from so-called minority tribe, and therefore everybody that come from that place need to be, he wants Igbo people to be seen as minority group. Remember that before 1967, before war, okay, people that was very eager to fight Biafran to kill Igbo are today called those one called North Central. That is from Benue, Plateau, and all these places that are suffering insecurity now, that Fulanis are dealing with them. They are the ones that fought Biafra like never before. They buy a lot of people. They hate to hear that Igbos want to be free. Because they want all of us to be in the same mess with them. The same applicable to this Fulani blood we are seeing here. The same thing. So many of them, even in the southeast, you see how people who are very, very, their allegiance is to caliphate. But I am not here to talk about it. I just want to hear his own story. He's not narrating his story and everything based on when he started, 2017. Hear him.
People lost life. The one way pay me pass.
The reason why all of them saying this in I see their hands in blood is simply because they did not start this history well. The blood of people died because they are carrying Biafran flag before 2017 that you started. Go back to the history. Trace it, see what happened. I just want. Did you hear Omofufu mention something like that? No. Omofufu did not mention that. He started telling you how people they fight. That's why if you are. In fact, and let me know because this channel, I want this channel to be a neutral platform that we will bring it the way you want, and you watching will be the one to have the final say to judge. See things for yourself.
And that pregnant woman and these people with the humble man.
They always say pregnant woman. Please, I have not watched that video. Is there anything like anything like that, like pregnant woman based? I have not seen the video. I'm being real. Now, for this picture that is trending, this is two soldiers. Honestly, I don't know the people that behind their death. If truly it has to do with Biafra, it is wrong. And anybody that commit that thing will pay dearly. Because my own is that Mazagana shouldn't be the one to answer the death of people that other people died. He said because he broadcast, because of the utterance and all that. Shall we continue talking about the utterance? We are still here in Nigeria, and when also Inca formed the courtesan. And from the courtesan, his intention was to form group reading people that will be reading together. That's what I was told though. But look at the courtesan today. Do you know how many people that have died based on the courtesan? So shall we now go arrest Soyinka now because he's the one that bring it up. Be careful when you're supporting what you don't know. Massacre did not tell anybody to go and buy anybody, buy a couple. No. They will just want to label this thing on him because they want him to stop talking about Biafran freedom. You that don't have any issue with Biafran freedom, you are not seeing it in a different angle. But at the long run, you are supporting people who don't want his voice to come out anymore because of freedom. Think about it. I am against anybody killing anybody, to be honest with you. I'm not saying it for this is not political statement. Anybody buying people is not good. Like, you don't need to take people's life for what? Like this couple, they are both of them are soldiers in Nigeria. There's no reason to take their life. There's no whatsoever. There's no reason to take their life. But I cannot trust people saying that massacre is one. I can't. Look at what he said about Gulag. Gulag that everybody know that was spied, not even on Monday. They said that because of sit at home, they buy him. The first person that condemned the killing of Gulag is Nnamdi. He made a special broadcast about it. Then, but if after seeing all those things, you decide to label it on him, come on. That is, you are talking about blood here. That's why I have to be careful. If I see that this one is wrong, I will tell you that it's wrong. That is because this has to do with blood. Blood of human being is not blood of chicken. We need to be very, very careful about it. If you want to do propaganda, do it, but not with human blood. Listen.
Things happen. Igbo people just won't talk. You don't understand that?
You don't love Igbo people for any reason.
Like this. Today they don't finally say this and life increase. In Nigeria, they read the work. When you know how they turn and the truth, you like block me. When I know say now to death. In Nigeria, they work. But even Nigeria government said Tara. They give a life.
Okay.
Remember watch how they talk out.
Now, the issue is this. This guy come from a tribe that even his own tribe is in danger, serious danger. But because of money he's making on social media, he thinks that he's exempted. He's free. All I can tell all of us is time will tell. That is all I can say now is time will tell. If you like, you will cut Mason's head and give it to Osman Dafodio. Do anything you want to do. You have the right because our people are the enabler of that. Do you understand? If you are from Igbo, if you are from Hausa, if you are from Fulani, if you are from Delta, Niger Delta, where this one comes from, if you are from Yoruba, any tribe where you come from, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter whether you are from Igbo, you are Biafra, it doesn't matter. As long as you are one of those claiming all those things, my own is that time will tell. Let God be the judge. What do I know? Now, whether I see now, I go talk. Now, I'm going to end it here. I don't have time to play all this nonsense because we have watched it before, how they sentence him, what Nigerians, because they are busy trying to justify the crime. Please hit the like button and let me know on the comment section. What do you think about this video? Everybody is now talking different story and all that. Now, then go tire because they have done what they have strength to do. Igbos are handicapped. Like I said, we are conquered people until we realize that we are conquered and do something about it. We will remain back and forward. Hopefully, the only hope now, like I say, hopefully, is sensible Biafrans that can still that have the capacity to make something out of nothing. God bless you, and please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. See you again and stay away from crime. God bless you.